wasn't as bad as I expected. Okay, so all we're going to do is turn that. And that opens the doors. And then this bit, I expect, it's got a little clutch on it, yeah. So it will skip over if it's got enough force on it. That needs a lot of force to make that skip over. So I won't push it any further. It works. That's what we're looking at. Gull wing doors, I think you call them. Anyway, I'm gonna have to 3D print a gear. See if that'll work. Right, I have 3D printed myself a little gear. I made it a bit too tight, to be honest. So I think the safest thing to do is take this apart so we can try and tap the shaft down onto it. So there we are. Another set of reduction gears. Let's we'll go through them. That one drives that one. 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 Don't know if we can. It probably will jump out when I press the button. Yeah. So we'll see if we can tap that in. It'll probably split it. In fact, I might take it off and try and clear that hole out a little bit first. That split it. Okay, well I'll print that again, but I'll make the hole a little bit bigger so I don't have to put so much force on it to get it in. I've got a feeling this may take several attempts. I could just warm up the shaft and then push it on. I have had this problem before and I've tried to print very small things. The dimensions, when you actually print them, don't turn out anything like you've actually designed them. Well, that is on there. How long it'll last before it splits, we don't know. Yeah, I'm going to have to put it back together just to try it out. There's no shortcut to that. Right, that fits on there. Oh, it is opening. I'll get my fingers in the right place. Okay, looks like we have a measure of success. Still in one piece. Right. Can I remember what screws were in it? I have an idea it was those ones with the flat washer bit underneath them. Can't think what they're called, but that one. Was it those ones? I don't remember. Can I put this in this way round, or have I got to put it all back together first? I've got to put it back together first, haven't I? That went in there. That was the seats. They went in there first, and then that goes on top. Clips under there, and that one screw gets done up at the back. Now we can put the motor back on, that way round, making a collection of those screws. Ah, these were the same ones for the lights as well, weren't they? I think. Always go and watch the video back. It's beginning to get dark. It's just gone 4 o'clock. Okay. Not lining up quite perfectly, but there we go. Success. So I don't know how long that gear will last. But it'll last long enough for me to be able to say that we've got it working. Don't fall out now. It's got there. Should have put the lights on. I can't see now. It's getting dull. The camera will be compensating, so it probably doesn't look as bad as it is. Should I tuck those wires in under there? Will they be all right? I think they'll be all right. through. Make sure the wires are out of the way. Tidying up to do again. So let's just have a little look. So, steering. Okay, forwards, backwards. And open the windows, the doors. Oh, wow. Right, I'll tidy up a bit. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.